Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Fidelity business retirement plan. Alright, if you've been wondering how to set up a Fidelity business retirement plan, this video is going to help you out with that. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can choose to log in on the website, or you can choose to do so through the mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on retirement, and then you want to click on business retirement plans, and there you can initiate the business retirement plan setup process. You're going to need to provide the required information. Of course, that's going to be business details and a couple of other details. And once you're done with that, just choose the business retirement plan options. And then once you confirm the business retirement plan details to make sure everything is accurate, it's going to be set up for you, and you can monitor the business retirement plan activities. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity business retirement plan. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next